For this video, we will focus on the last box of your note cards. This is the original thinking section. As you can see, it says original thinking. How does this fit in with what you know? What can you follow up on? I also want to add another question for you to think about. How does this relate to your thesis statement? This is a great time to save your note card and go back and look at your thesis statement and see if you are on track to answer that question or to give more details about that statement. So, since this paper is about defining the American education system and making suggestions to improve it, I want to do so in this original thinking. I have a quote and a statistic in my top box, and I can expand on those. You can say, students are not supported at an early age. They are very likely to end up on a path that leads them to a troubled life. Now, this statement is not anywhere in the article. It's my original thoughts. It's how I'm interpreting this. I'm interpreting that if you wind up in jail at the age of 18, you're probably going to have a troubled life. We need to do something about that. One of the points in my thesis was that parents need to be involved in the education system. So I want to tie that in. I can say here, teachers and parents need to work together throughout a student's schooling. There should be a responsibility on both parts to communicate and support each other, help the student be successful. Once again, these are my thoughts and I'm relating it to the classroom. I do want a spell check. If I don't do it now, I'm just going to have to do it later. As you can see, I have a couple sentences in both the top box and in the bottom box. This will give me a good start when I want to transfer information to my research paper.